Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your videos to an audio in CapCut PC. So I have this video here and I just want to export the audio. Right click on the video and you're going to select extract audio and you're going to delete the video. Then you're going to hit the export button up here and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select the export audio. You can select either MP3, WAV, AAC, and I don't know the last one, FLAC. I usually just export it in an MP3 format and I'm just going to hit the export button. And you can open the folder and that's where your audio will be exported to, and that's how you can convert your videos into an MP3 file. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!